Okay, hang on, I'm gonna transfer you. NANABOOZHOO, David Bowie is on line 2. Bowie's on line 2? Cool. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, David Bowie. Welcome to the show. Hello, NANABOOZHOO. How are you this morning? Oh, I'm doing really well. How are you? I suppose I'm doing quite well. Quite well indeed. You know, for being dead. Yeah, sorry about that. Oh, it's all right. Heaven is quite lovely. Oh, that's good. Did you have some coffee this morning? Well, I'll tell you. I started my day with a cup of coffee. But as I am English, you know, I enjoy a spot of tea. How does one say tea in Ojibwe? In Ojibwe, oh, we were just talking about this. Tea in Ojibwe is anibish. Anibish. Yep, anibish. But the tea you're speaking of, like the hot tea in the morning, the English like to drink, we call that anibish abu. Anibish abu. Anibish abu. Hot tea. Yeah. Hot tea. Anibish abu. You know, the Ojibwe language is so lovely. Oh, thank you. What, did you invent the Ojibwe language? Well, no, I mean, just on behalf of, God, I guess, for inventing the language. I don't know why I took that as a compliment. Yeah. Is that Natasha? Yeah, Natasha's here. You were just on the phone with her, remember? Oh, yes, of course. I'm ever so sorry, Natasha, I forgot. Oh, that's all right. So, otherwise, I also hear that the rock star cartoonist Michael Lyons has released an album. Is that true? Yeah, Michael Bowie's interested in your album. Hi, David. Hello, Michael Lyons. Is it true you've released an album of songs, of original songs? Yeah, I sure did. Yeah, let me get the artwork here. This is Michael's album, Rockstar Cartoonist. Rockstar Cartoonist. Oh, and where can I purchase such an album? Don't even purchase it, David. Just go on YouTube. Michael downloaded it for free. You can listen to the whole album on one video. The links aren't in the description, but they'll probably link it after the video. Oh. Yeah, David, a lot of my songs were kind of inspired by your early work. Is that right? Yeah, I listened to you all the time when I was a kid. Oh, thank you so ever so much. Yeah. And so I can listen to it on YouTube. Yeah. Or you can go to Patreon and for $20 order a copy, but neither Michael or I understands what that means. What do you mean you don't understand? Well, Patreon is a website where people can support monthly on for like filmmakers and YouTube people and musicians or whatever. They came out with this thing. They're like, if you'd like to sell your music, post it here, blah blah blah. So Michael did that, and now it's available for sale at patreon.com, just for anybody, like Amazon. But it doesn't tell you what it is. I don't know if they just release a file, what do they call it, MP3s, MP4s, whatever. Or if they're going to send you like a big old LP, that'd be cool. Yeah, somehow I really doubt they're printing LPs. Yeah. But in any case, it's also available for free on YouTube. And me, personally, Bowie, it's my probably 15th favorite album. What? Yeah. I mean, no offense, Michael. It's a great album. Oh, some of the reviews have come in. Is that right? What are the critics saying? Let's see. Here's one. Rockstar Cartoonist. Brilliant. Somebody called it brilliant, Michael. Yeah, I saw that. Was cool. This one is written by Joan Frame. Her review is Meh. Yeah, I saw that too. Meh. M-E-H. And Donna says she loves you, Michael. Yeah, that's sweet. So, 2 out of 3 ain't bad. 2 out of the 3 reviews from Michael's public have given it a thumbs up. So just another 1 million, and there's your first gold album, Michael. Yep. Well, not even 1 million. I've got 3 in. Yeah, 3. So 1 million minus 3. 9,997. More to go. Oh well, I am quite familiar with the work of Michael Lyons, because I watched the show. Yeah, a lot of these songs have appeared on the show. But so anyway, what else is going on with you? Oh, not much. There's only so much a person can do in heaven. I was having tea with the Queen of England the other day. Oh, really? Yes, Queen Elizabeth. She's young in heaven. Oh, Queen Elizabeth is young? Yes, when one dies, they go to heaven, but then they reemerge as their, I suppose she looks about 25, 26 years old. Oh, really? Is she pretty? Not particularly. Okay. Well, listen, boy, I gotta go. Do you remember how to say, I will see you again? But of course, Gega Waba Men, Minawa. I will see you again, NANABOOZHOO. Yeah, you too, buddy. Gega Waba Men, Minawa. Bowie, sweetie. I love David Bowie. Yeah, me too. I'm sorry he's passed away. And here I thought he just faked his death. Nope. How could he fake his death? He just called us from heaven. Yeah. There's proof, Bowie fans. David just called from heaven. If he were still alive, how would that be possible?